In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually stop trading time for money if you want to earn $5,000 per month. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you why it is actually key to stop trading and changing the mindset about, trading time in order to earn money. If you want to earn $5,000, even $10,000, or even six figures per month. First of all, yes, it is actually really possible. It is not something that is going to be happening overnight. That's something that you take into consideration. It's not something that is going to happen if you don't have the option to have an online business that is going to give you the opportunity to leverage your time. This is going to be based on my experience, just in case that you guys don't know. When I started on 2018, my online business, at that time, I had two full-time jobs. Of course, maybe like you at the beginning, I was not looking to replace my two full-time jobs. I was looking to earn some extra money. Everybody, I think we started like that, looking maybe to earn a home, maybe $300, maybe an extra $1,000, $2,000 per month. And you can imagine, you can have the picture, right? Having two full-time jobs, it was not an option to get a per full-time job, but I was in the need, to get an extra income. The reason why I had two full-time jobs is because I suffered for a huge scam. And, if you were like me and, you know, you have debts or someone use your name to get credit cards, to get loans, at the end of the day, the banks doesn't care who used the money. It is actually under your name. You are the one who is responsible. That was my case. That's the reason why I have to have two full-time jobs. So I had a broken mindset, but at the end of the day, I think it's something that is actually inside you. And nowadays we have a lot of opportunities to watch people who are making money online. And again, as I told you, it is actually okay. And it is actually possible to make some extra money online. If that's what you're looking for, it is actually possible to do while you have a full-time job, family responsibilities and all this stuff. But everything started with you. Everything started with your mindset. Let me share with you my screen because I actually want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. I know I have been talking about a lot of things, but it's actually really, really important to be on the same page, to have, all the information and all the stuff, and to make sure that you understand that this is actually possible. Okay. This is actually possible. Okay. As I told you before, I used to have two full-time jobs. Okay. The reason why I'm putting an emphasis here is because I know that most people who are watching my YouTube channel, they have at least one full-time job, or chances are that you have two part-time jobs, or maybe a full-time job and a part-time job. But the idea is that you are actually going to be able to make it. Okay. Okay. So with that says, okay, most people who are watching, this video, they are on the regular 9 to 5. It is okay if you want to keep your regular 9 to 5 and you want to earn some extra money. It is okay if you are like, hey, you know what? I'm looking for an option and I'm looking for a way in which I can replace my 9 to 5. Okay. What I'm doing, okay, and what I used to do before as well, it's something that we call affiliate marketing. So basically what I'm doing is I'm promoting other people products and services in exchange of a commission. That actually helped me because at the time, remember when I get started, I didn't have, time to create a product, which is really hard. I can tell you I experienced. I didn't have time to deal with customers. And I mean by, processing payment, doing tech support, doing customer service. I didn't have time for that. I barely have some time to rest. Okay. So I was looking for something that I can do what I have my full-time jobs. So that's the reason why I started with affiliate marketing. There are tons of companies out there who are willing to pay you in exchange for a commission if you refer a product or service. This product can be a digital product. It can be a digital service. But when I get started, I used to do everything. I was posting on social networks. I was DMing people. I was, yeah, recording videos, but doing really complicated editing. And it felt like having a job because I didn't understood that I had to build a system, which I have a system right now. Okay. Um, this is something that you understand if you get educated. Okay. It was like, okay, this is a life changing business model. And yeah, I can actually make money, but I need to have a system. And I'm not talking about the fact that you need to be, a graphic designer or web designer, build something super complicated. Literally, this is just a 2-page system. That's it. And with the power of affiliate marketing, you can promote as many products and services as you want. Okay. Because you have that opportunity. And with the system, this is how you can actually make money while you sleep. Okay. That's it. Okay. So I'm going to be doing some hand drawing here. So it's going to be like this. This is a simple system in which you are asking people for their name, their email. Then, because I was doing affiliate marketing, I created something that is called a bridge page. This can be a video or this can be some text. And literally what I'm doing is introducing the main product that I'm promoting. And then we have the product page. Okay. So here people are actually, going to make the purchase. We don't do this. Okay. Literally, we just do these two things. And don't worry, if you don't want to be in front of a camera, you don't have to be in front of the camera. That's the beauty nowadays. We can do faceless content. As the one that I'm doing right now, I'm literally recording my screen, literally sharing, you know, something on a whiteboard, and that's it. The most important thing here is the message. Okay. With the right message, you are going to have leads coming automatically. Okay. You're going to have leads coming automatically nowadays. Okay. Because we have so many opportunities. You have the opportunity to create short form content. Okay. We're going to have the opportunity to create short form content. Okay. Okay. Short form content. Well, I'm going to put here shorts and long form content. I'm going to put this just to be a little bit faster. Okay. Where this short form content comes. Okay. We have TikTok. We have Instagram Reels. We have Facebook Reels. Okay. We have YouTube Shorts, long form content. We have blogging. YouTube. Okay. You can create content on YouTube. You can also use other strategies like blogging. Okay. And there are other social networks. Okay. So with short form content, you're going to get tons of eyeballs, a lot of eyeballs. It's crazy the amount of traffic that you can get. But with long form content, you get something that is going to help you in the future. And it's the fact that you're going to have what we call evergreen content. This is the content that is going to be working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's going to be working for you for years to come. It's like this YouTube channel. Okay. The reason why I decided to go with this YouTube channel is because I was looking to have evergreen content. Okay. And the other reason is because when I got started, Instagram, they were not like having the feature with the Instagram Reels. They didn't have the feature with Facebook Reels as well. And YouTube Short was out of the radar. Okay. So I started with YouTube. That's how I actually got started. I was actually posting on Facebook groups and trying to get that leads that well. That's the reason why I was posting every single day. I was DMing. I was doing really complicated stuff. Okay. But a friend of mine told me like, hey, Diana, if you're really serious about this, there is this powerful community search engine, which is called YouTube. Okay. So it takes more time, but it actually works for you as an evergreen content. Okay. And don't get me wrong. I'm not telling you that you should not try YouTube short form content because that's a lie. Nowadays, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, I'm everywhere, but I started in a sequence. The way I started was first with Facebook, as I told you, then I switched to YouTube, then I moved to Instagram. I tried on Instagram. Remember that Instagram Reels was not a thing. Then I moved to TikTok. Once I dominate TikTok, okay, I moved to Instagram. Okay. And that's how actually I was able, to be everywhere. Okay. But I was not jumping from one thing to the thing to the thing. I was really consistent. The only thing that I'm not doing nowadays, it's with Facebook group. Okay. That's the thing that I quit because it was really time consuming. I was actually looking to automate by my business. Okay. And that's something that you need to do as well. You need to find a way to automate your business with the system that I'm talking about. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. So with that said, again, I was looking to leverage my time and you should leverage your time as well. Okay. Another really important thing is that you don't need to have complicated systems and teams. This is a business model that works like this. Super, super simple. You create content on social networks. You have a two-page system that is going to be working for you and you're recommending products. It's simple, but you need to be consistent. You need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed with your success. It doesn't matter if you just want to earn a couple of $100, a couple of $1,000 extra. Okay. You need to have to be committed with yourself. You need to have to be committed with your success. And also you need to understand that you need to build your email list. The reason why you need to build your email list, it's because here we're going to be capturing their name and email. And now we can refer people again to this product just in case that they were not ready to make the purchase. By the way, this is supposed to be an envelope. Okay. We can, we can promote this product, but we can also promote other products and other services. And this is how you actually make money while you sleep. Okay. Because it doesn't matter if the person is in Europe. It doesn't matter if the person is in Asia, in another state. It doesn't matter because this is going to be working for you 24/7. Okay. 24/7. They're having the opportunity to buy a product that you are recommending. Okay. But remember, a key point is you need to also create evergreen content. If you're just getting started, you can go with the short form content. As I mentioned before, you're going to get a lot of eyeballs. It's super fast because we're talking about a 5 to 7 second videos that you don't need to show your face. You don't even need to talk if you don't want. It's a lot of traffic, but it die at a certain point, while the evergreen content, it's going to be key because it's going to be working for you for the years to come. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.